Good day, guys, and welcome back to the channel. Now, guys, to those of you that are yet to subscribe to this channel, be it you are new to this channel, guys, click on the subscribe button, like, share, make your comments. We love to watch out for it. And also, guys, do well to follow us on Telegram. You will find the link to our Telegram channel in the comment section because on Telegram we put out some potential trade movements, some trade ideas, some trade opportunities. We will be sharing it on the Telegram channel, and you can also do well to chat with us there on Telegram. We'll be replying you. So the link to the Telegram channel will be in the comment section. So once you go to the comment section, you'll find the link to our Telegram channel. Now let's take a look at GBPUSD. So guys, like I said, our target on GBPUSD is to a level of 1.31. Currently, GBPUSD is trading at 1.26. So our target is still to a level of 1.31. So we will be entering into the month of December, and basically more sell will be playing out on DXY. So if there's more sell on DXY, then any other PS you are trading to USD or DXY should give us that bullish move. So now let's start with this GBP USD. This is our higher highs here, and here comes the higher lows, right? This is our higher highs here, new higher highs, and here comes the higher lows. This is our new higher highs here, and here comes the higher lows, right? Here comes again a new higher highs, and we can see plays out to be the higher lows. Now take a look at this. This is our new higher highs, and there's a little bit of an higher lows here, a pullback. If you go to the 4-hour time and 1-hour time frame, which is more visible. Now take a look at this movement. This is a new higher high. So you can see that this market has pushed off. What do you expect next on GBP So an higher lows will be playing out anytime soon. So guys, a pullback is what we'll be expecting soon on GBP So watch out for it. So those of you that might want to be jumping in on the buy, I will advise you to actually wait a bit, let that market pull back, because anytime soon market will start pulling back. Imagine you just go ahead and jump in on the buy and market pulls back, you are very much likely to get stopped out, except you have a very, very wide stop loss. Maybe then you can escape it. But if you are the type of person that you want to use like proper stop loss, then you should actually wait for a pullback. After that pullback, then a new higher high should be made. So basically, we are still on the bullish move. We are heading to a level of 1.31. That is our target on GBP USD. Do not forget to follow us on Telegram. You will find the link in the comment section.